How to delete a YouTube link from TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a YouTube link from TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your TikTok. Before that, if you guys do not have the updated version of TikTok, update it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've done that, you can then open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, head over to your profile. So let me just skip this. There we go. Now on your profile, you can see that there is a link. There is a YouTube link that is linked to my account. Now to simply delete the YouTube link from this TikTok account, what I'll need to do is I'll need to head over to the profile. Tap on edit profile option right here. And after you tap on it, you should see the links option. Tap on links and right there you'll find YouTube option. All you have to do is tap on it once and you'll get the unlink option. Tap on unlink, and after you tap on unlink, the YouTube link will get unlinked. And if you now head back to your profile and reload once, the YouTube link should be gone. And that's how you delete a YouTube link from TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.